Dear students, welcome to the 7th session of our initiations. This week, you are going to learn about making and responding to an appointment, as well as giving an explanation in English. You can find this week's topic in Module 8 and 9. Each module consists of 2 learning activities. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to identify the expressions used to make and respond to an appointment, explanation, negotiation, and also draw a conclusion in a meeting. So, please learn the materials, participate in the discussion forum, and do the assignment 3. Enjoy your learning and good luck!